Sustainably cooling the world, that's the Daikin mission. As the hub for applied factories located in the peninsula of Malaysia, Daikin Refrigeration Malaysia has been in business since 1991 to support Southeast Asian countries.
At Daikin Factory, we specialize in airside manufacturing and DX refrigeration production.
At Shah Alam Factory, we concentrate on high-quality chiller production and HVAC assembly.
Our success is rooted in our team, a diverse team that understands the nuances and pace of our Southeast Asia market. This structure ensures a seamless process from top to bottom, driven by a workforce dedicated to tackling the challenges of a rapidly growing industry. Our brightest minds are designing the most effective equipment. It's all about the details. We explore every possibility. The result, the highest quality products you'll ever find in the industry. Our state-of-the-art facilities make it possible to build anything from the ground up.
Perfect, maximum precision achieved.
Loading down. Okay, good.
This intricate process of vessel production is built with quality in mind. We then assemble, all under one roof. Now that's our definition of efficient. Our standard is what sets us apart. Everything is tested. Everything is following the AHRI standard. We do all of this for one mission, to release these products into the market. This commitment to excellence ensures that each product, whether it's our chillers, airside units, or applied refrigeration systems, meets the demands of our customers. Our ambitions go beyond this region. They extend to the whole world. We are here to make a lasting impact on the HVAC industry. Every step we take brings us closer to cooling the world sustainably.